Okay, so for heating, we decided that we are going to get a little wood stove to put inside our fireplace. And that is really the only position at all that we can add a wood stove to this house. All the outer walls in the main room are occupied with doors, windows, and other things, so there's just absolutely no space. The kitchen is too tiny to put a cook stove in there, although I'd love that, but, a cooked wood stove, but it's impossible. So the only option we have is to add a little wood stove directly in the fireplace. So Mark is up on the roof of the house checking the size of the opening. I think what we have to get is what's called a chase cover, and the opening has to be in a specific position on this particular chimney. It isn't dead center, so he's taking measurements of the chimney itself, and we'll probably create a drawing of where the opening has to go. So once again, up on the roof. And today's an ugly day. It's a good thing he did this a couple of days ago. The weather was gorgeous then. And this is just the start of it. Now, we do have plastic sheets and some, masonry bricks up there to stop critters from getting into the openings, because the last time we were here in July, we did find a couple of dead birds in the house, and the only place they could have gotten in was through the chimney. So we covered it up with plastic, put a few bricks on top of the plastic so no critters could get in, and no dirt and leaves and that could get in. So leaving that up there until we get a chase cover. And it has to be the right size, and we'll probably have somebody make it for us. I think the intent originally was that Mark would cut the sheet metal himself and do that, but that's an ugly job, and we don't really have the tools. And by the time you get the tools and everything you need to do a reasonable job, you might as well buy one ready-made. So he's up on the roof now, and after that, well, let's see. Okay, here is our fireplace, and Mark has got to prepare it in order to be able to put a wood stove in. I'm going to let Mark explain what he's doing.
Yeah, there's an existing damper, which came out in pieces. One piece is out, but I've only got about 4 inches clearance front to back at the damper, and I need 6 inches to get the chimney liner up. So I'm trying to remove enough material to run the chimney liner, and the damper is made out of steel, and looks like mortar or concrete on top of it, so it's a bit of work to get it out, but I've been in there cutting the steel, and it's just about time to get back in and do some more. Yeah, got a little bit. See this side.
Is that working?
Yeah, kind of. Can't really see if I'm making any progress, but got all kinds of stuff falling down, so maybe I am.
Would you like your flashlight?
Yes, please. This What's in the box?
Another piece for what,
For
dear?
the Sawzall. Could you hand it to me, please?
What, this?
Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Okay. Try this again. And I think there's a lot of masonry behind that, which is slowing me down. Can you pass me the sledgehammer, please, wherever it is?
I put it aside. Sledgehammer and other tools.
A lot of crap down. Break time.
Do you need a scarf over your face, over your mouth and nose?
No, not really. Okay, that one's not gonna work over there. Come on, we'll do it here. Can you pass my flashlight, please?
Your what?
Flashlight. It's right here. is out of reach. Thank you. Now it's the back piece that has to come out.
What was that?
That's the back piece that has to come out.
The front one isn't working?
Well, there's brick just above it out to about there.
Oh,
So
wow.
it's this piece here. Oh well,
So were you cutting brick?
yeah. But there's no reason to cut that piece out. It's all gotta be at the fucking back. I'm tempted to go out and get an air chisel tomorrow. And I've got a couple of cuts in it, so that'll probably work. Oh well, that's it for today.
What does an air chisel do?
I used to own one. Remember what I used to carve out that rock for the backyard?
Yeah.
That's what an air chisel does.